you. Thank you. Now, we have a little bit of certification for all these participants who have worked exceedingly hard, believe me. For over the last 1 month, 30 days, they have worked day in and out. And I would just like to call Sujata ma'am to come and hand over the certificates. Before that, I would also like her to talk about theatre and education. Please, ma'am.
First of all, I would like to thank Gauri and Neeraj and all the members of the pack for having invited me today evening to witness such a wonderful performance.
Thank you.
I think we all need to give them a big round of applause before I take certification. It was a real good performance, and I think the whole audience was bound for the last 40 minutes, and I realized that we have been witnessing the show for the last 45 minutes, and it was a real good effort made by these little children. We all would agree on this. Drama in education, that is what just now that Gauri said, that what can be the role of drama in education, and I feel that yes, it is a distinct way of expressing yourself. It is a unique way of expressing yourself, which is very different from all other disciplines. And I think we can make the children think, feel, and understand the world around them in a very interesting way by introducing drama in the curriculum. With the CBSE introducing continuous and comprehensive evaluation, this has already been taken to the classroom, and the children are evaluated on their performances, like many chapters in English and other subjects. They are enacted in the classes, and the children are evaluated, and they are taken into consideration when these children are promoted to the next class. So that is one very good way of encouraging and instilling these creativity among children. And I think that once we train our children in theatrics, when they grow up, they can contribute to the society and the world at large in a very wonderful way. Because see, when they grow up, we have all read Tales of Panchatantra, I think many times. But today when we were seeing, we were really enjoying, and how they have been presented in a very interesting way. So this, when these children, we instill the creativity among these children, and they grow up, they can apply them to their daily life situations, and how they can solve the problems in a very unique and creative way. It gives them a sense of, expressing themselves in a very different way. And also, I feel that yes, theatrics can do a wonderful way, and it is one way which instills self-confidence among children. And Gauri, for example, she has been in my own school. She has trained children in theatrics, and we have found that our children have become very self-confident, and now there is no stage fear among them. They can boldly face the audience, and we could feel that difference when they were taken to the recording studios. They had a novel experience, which is actually their pronunciation has improved, and they are able to express themselves in a much better way. So I feel that with the pact taking this lead, these children, it will go a very long way in instilling these qualities among the children, and I'm sure these children will grow up, and they would be very fine actors, and also not only that, they would be very confident individuals.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And the children are very small, you realize that. So any tatas and goodbyes and hellos and all is a part of the enjoyment and fun. Anyway, now I'd like to call upon the participants, and Arpit will help us in handing over the certificates to them. Adya Rajagopalan, our little wonder. Adya, she was playing the peacock and child. Ameya Bansal, Dimwit. Angad Vaswani, lion. Gopika Arora, sharp. Karthik, another little one. Karthik. What for you?
Excuse me.
Madhav Arora, our very own rabbit, who wouldn't even open his mouth the first day. Please give him a big clap.
Thank you.
Okay. Maitreyi. Matthew Vetticard, who has been with me for very, very long now, wasn't a part of the play but a previous production, and we really wanted to thank him and our previous stars. Matthew Vetticard. Please give him a big clap if you're He's done 4 workshops with me. Srija. Srija, who played the other rabbit.
Srija.
Shreya Mazumdar, who played the Dimpet in the previous, Stop in the previous workshop. Please come, Shreya. Please give her a big clap too. Tia Bajaj, who played the zebra. She wanted to be an owl, she wanted to be a zebra, she wanted to be a lion.
No, down.
Uday Soni. Uday Soni. Very good tiger.
See you. Close. Yes, yes.
Antara. Antara. Monkey. Very good. Nandini Mishra. Have you seen the purple bindi on my forehead?
See you later.
Close, close.
Noeli! Another little wonder of ours. Big clap for Noeli, please.
Yes, ma'am, yes, some.
எல்லாருக்கும் ப்ரைஸ் எதுவும் கொடுத்தாங்க அவெல்லாம் அந்த மாதிரி ட்ராமா பண்ணி
Rudra! Mr. Arvind. Siddhant! He's not here. it over to him. Vikramaditya. Vikramaditya, last but not the least. Good ringtone. And last but not the least, Nachiketa, who has been at three of my previous workshops, who won the lion last time. Nachiketa. Thank you so much. Thank you once again, and we hope to have another wonderful year of productions coming. Our next production is going to be on the 26th of November at Epicenter, which is a play by 15 adults. So please come and watch it, and then we'll have a play in March with the children again. Thank you very